Chief Minister Conrad Sangma made an appeal on Wednesday for the banned Hnlc National Liberation Council (Hnlc) to continue the tripartite peace talks, stating that the requirements for disarmament are the same for all militant groups. He went on to say that each case will be evaluated individually when it comes to dropping charges against the outfit's leaders. The Hnlc withdrew from the peace talks with the government recently, citing non-compliance with 5 demands, including the retraction of all charges against the group's leaders and members.
There are standard conditions that are there for all talks, and hence if we change those conditions for some organization, then it becomes difficult to have a uniform platform in which we treat all the organizations, because the terms and conditions cannot change. Therefore, whatever terms and conditions have been used and laid down for other organizations, same conditions are being put up now for Hnlc talks also.
NPP candidate